Sponsored by Kanggook. Today we had a little fly-in, miniature fly-in with the fellas. Scott and Brian were the first ones off the ground. Brian's flying his new Haka, Dudek Warp 2. Pre-flighted it up.
Clear. Drop. All right. Breathing. All right. Well, the day looks amazing. Second day of trying the GoPro audio. We'll see if this works. We got some helicopters over here, it looks like.
So we had these helicopters here today because there was a bunch of fires going on in the Everglades and in Big Cypress, so they were there to respond to any fires. One of the new guys was having a problem trying to take off there. Those helicopters were enormous. We went and talked to those people and told them that we were going to be done by 9 o'clock, and they were like, that's not a problem. At least the people at this helicopter right here said so. So I was trying to do some very easy
all the way over
barrel rolls and wing overs and that kind of thing.
Whee.
Not throwing it around so hard, just doing it easy little maneuvers here. Went and revisited the area that they're working on to build new houses over by the villages, and they're taking their good old time, making sure every single place is awesome.
Monster truck ramp over here. That's pretty cool.
That's always so much fun to fly off the edge of something. Defying gravity, you know. So very obviously I will not be able to fly this very soon. Completely missed the alligator that was jumping in the water. Didn't even see that until after I reviewed the footage.
Hey, there's somebody. I think that's probably Eli.
Scott had been talking about how to do double barrel rolls, and I thought to myself, well, that doesn't sound too difficult.
That's how you double barrel roll, Scott.
Not to be outdone, Scott, without any communication, went up and did a whole boatload of them in a row, as if he knew that I was trying to show him up.
Whoop! Right upside down. Oh! Double! Is he going for a triple? Woo! This guy!
On this day, I do believe Scott broke the world record for number of consecutive barrel rolls. Yep, definitely broke the record.
It's an ozone viper. Woo! Look at those birds! Brian!
Something I realized that doesn't translate too well to video is that sensation of rocking back and forth. I cut out all that.
Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Mid-chew, mouthful of grass. Oh man. The air temperature is like, I don't know, probably like 65. The air is super still and dense. Woo!
Thanks, Scott, for getting a little extra external video.
Yeah.
So Eli and I did some synchronous acro over by the airport.
Look at that. Wow. roll.
And for some reason, all of the Eli audio got cut out. I'm not quite sure what happened here. Completely silent, but he's going, woohoo!
That is so much fun. Wow!
There you go, that's nice. Way more power, bud. Nice inflation.
Here you go, gas, baby.
Go for it, lean back. He's got it. That was good. No, he's committed now. He turned off his motor. Come on, bud.
That'll work.
Good enough. Look at these two. They always launch literally inches apart.
So Eli's got his brand new factory R. This was, I think, the maiden or close to maiden flight for his factory
Yeah,
R.
the factory R.
You know we do have a local pilot, Will Smith, right?
Yeah, I try to keep his wife's name out of my mouth.
So here, the airport security came up to talk to us because somebody had been complaining. But Eli had obviously gone over earlier and talked to some of the
People, and even out here,
helicopter
I've met
folks.
some guys, and they're super interested. Most aviation people like aviation, so they're interested in what we got going on.
The problem was, I'll just spare you, having to listen to all this, but the problem was the guys and ladies that were working down at the other helicopter were thinking that they had to respond to things that were on fire and things that were super hot. And they saw me flying in with my yellow and black wing, and they were afraid that they were going to be too distracted to take off. They thought, why go to a fire when all the heat's here? So, I mean, totally understandable, but we did get permission to take off and fly again. So I went up for just a quick little flight around the airport. Came back, I didn't want to bother anybody. We had to be out there by 9 o'clock, so took off, no problem. The Hydron's awesome, the MROC's amazing. Perfect combo.
Right there. I only watch people like, don't go by my helicopter. You can't fly here.
Don't you get near my helicopter,
You can't fly here.
Do not fly.
As you can see, they can't take their eyes off me.
Fine, I'm over here and I'm going to cross over.
Eli with a nice swooping landing.
I try to keep his wife's name out of my